front of me is Xiaomi 13T Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can set up app lock. Begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling down to Access Apps section. Then click on App Lock and choose Turn On at the bottom. Now you need to create your pattern that you will use to lock your apps. Repeat it in order to confirm it. And click on Next at the bottom right corner. Finally, if you want to, you can sign in to your Mi account or tap on Not Now and do it later. If you decided to click on Not Now, you need to confirm your choice after 5 seconds. To lock all of those apps right away, click on Use App Lock. If you don't want to do it, just click on all of them over here and check for 0 at the bottom. Then click on Use App Lock and tap on Cancel or Settings in Fingerprint Unlock pop-up. Finally, to lock your apps, tap on the gray switches next to them. So when I do that and go back, then try to access one of my apps, I can see that pattern is now required. If you wish to, you can always go into the same app lock settings and disable app lock from those apps by tapping on No Blue Switchers. To disable app lock completely though, click on this gear at the top right corner. Click on the blue switcher next to App Lock feature and confirm your choice in the pop-up. As you can see, after that, it was successfully disabled. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!